Hello everyone. So we're just waiting for some more people to join in. Okay. Hi everyone. Good Modicare morning. Wishing everybody a very happy Navami. I hope you all are enjoying your festive season. So in this live, I am going to give you a short tutorial of a quick glam Karwa chauth makeup look. So let's start with the makeup look. So to begin with, I'm wearing Amoli jewelry and I have already done my base. So for my base, I have used the concealer palette. This is palette 1 and the colors that I've used for my concealing is shade number C 1.2, which is this color. And for my foundation, I have used C 1.3. Another color that I've used for my contouring, soft contour that I've done, cream contour, is W 2.2. So these are the three colors that I've used to create my base. And for the compact, I have used Expert Formalift Compact shade number 03, which is soft shell. And I am going to start with the eye makeup first. So to create eye makeup, I am going to start with the pencil that I think we all are aware of the pencils that we have. That is Intense Color Eye Pencil. The shade is Gold Mine. I'm using the Pro brushes and I'm using the flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take the color directly onto the brush like this, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. So this is going to give you a soft sheen. The more color you want, the more color you can add. You can just take directly onto the brush and apply it all over the eyelid. So like this, so I have applied it all over my eyelid. I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side, taking it on the flat side and just swiping it all across the eyelid. So I'm not using patting motions, I'm just dragging the color from the inner corner towards the outer corner. So like this. And from the clean side of the brush, I'm going to just clean the brush once, and from the clean side I'm just going to blend the line to create that smoky effect. Now to add on to the now I'm going to add definition to the eye makeup. For that, I'm using Starry Eye pencil and I'm going to use a smudger brush from the Pro palette. So Starry Eye Kajal is a roll-on kajal and I'm going to apply it like a liner. And I'm using the tip of the brush from the smudger brush and I'm going to blend it in back and forth motion. So this will give you a very nice smoked out eyeliner. I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side. You need to make sure, if you want a thick liner, you need to make a thin line, because when you blend the kajal, it becomes more thicker. And our Pro brushes have recently launched. We have 5 beautiful brushes. We have 2 brushes for our face and 3 beautiful brushes for our eye makeup. Just going to blend it properly. And you just have to blend it with the tip of the brush and just drag it all over. So this will give you a very nice smoky eye or a smoky liner effect. If you want, you can also apply it on the lower lash line. I'm just going to show you. And this is a kajal. You can also use it as a liner, like I have used it in this live. I'm scribbling the kajal inside my waterline and making sure it comes on to the lash line as well. Lash line pe jab kajal aayega, so you can just use the smudger brush and you can just blend it back and forth without applying the kajal all over the lower lash line. Sorry. So similarly, I'm doing it on the other side. Just scribbling the kajal. Kajal, when you scribble the kajal inside your waterline, it will last you for a longer period of time. A lot of people complain कि kajal stay नहीं करता है. To make your kajal stay for a longer period of time, आप उसको scribble करके लगाएंगे तो वो ज़्यादा देर तक रहेगा. जो भी काजल बाहर निकला है, just smudge it. इससे बहुत ज़्यादा आईज काली नहीं होते. काफ़ी लोग बोलते हैं नीचे आ जाता है and it becomes darker. So just smudged it. And now to add on to the eye makeup, if people are comfortable using this, some people are comfortable with soft eye makeup, some people like more glitter on the eyes, so you can also go like this, or you can add. So I'm using Stardust eyeshadow Magic Touch, which is 02. I'm going to take this color onto my hand, and using my finger I'm just going to dab it, and I'm going to add it in the center of my eye. So this will add more glitter. This step is not necessary for everybody, but for people who like more glitter, and very good for festivals. Repeating the same step on the other eye. Make sure you focus it on the center, and then you just blend the product towards the inner part and the outer corner. So this was the eyeshadow, and now to finish the eye makeup, I'm going to use the mascara. This is our Ultimate Radiance mascara. So when you apply your mascara, make sure you're applying it from the roots of your lashes. Like you can see, I'm just blinking very slowly and bringing the wand upwards. This will give you nice curl. Like you can see, it has already given me very nice curl. And the more mascara you apply, the more curl and volume you will get. People often say using a lot of mascara, आपके eyelashes गिर जाती हैं ज़्यादा mascara use करने से. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आप mascara जितना मर्जी लगा सकते हैं, but it should not look clumpy. But आप उसको अच्छे से remove करेंगे, आपके eyelashes कभी भी नहीं गिरेंगे. And to remove it, always use the micellar water on a cotton pad and softly remove your eye makeup. And this is our makeup removing micellar water. This is very good to remove all kinds of makeup, especially our waterproof makeup, and especially to remove the mascara. Similarly, I'm applying it on the other side. As you can see, roots से लगा के इसको ऊपर लेके आना है. And this is a slow process. आप जल्दी जल्दी लगाएंगे तो कभी भी आपको इतनी definition add नहीं करेगा eyelashes पे. So make sure you're reaching to every corner of your eye and you're adding mascara to each hair of your eyelashes. Onto the lower lashes. And never pump your mascara. मस्कारा हमेशा एक बार अंदर डाल के आपको बाहर निकालना है. नेवर पंप इट, क्योंकि इसमें हवा जाती है एंड इट गेट्स ड्राई. नहीं तो बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है मस्कारा. आई एम जस्ट एडिंग वन मोर लेयर बिकॉज मुझे बहुत हैवी मस्कारा पसंद है. इट डिफाइंस योर आई लैशेज, इट डिफाइंस योर आई वेरी ब्यूटिफुली. सो माई आईज आर डन. सो ये हमारा 5 मिनट का क्विक मेकअप डेमो था. For the eyes, now I move on to lips. For lips, I'm going to do dark lips. For dark, because this is Karwa chauth, and for festive season, it is very, very good that you can do dark eyes with dark lips. It complements our outfit, our entire look, even the festivities that we attend. So I'm using the pencil, which is Rockin' Red 001. So to apply the lip liner, you need to line your lips first. So to line it, I'm going to start from the corner of the lip and bringing it to the center. Repeating the same step on the other side. and I'm going to line the lower lip. Now I'm going to fill the lips with the same lip liner because this will help your lipstick to last longer and it will give you very nice defined lips. फिल आपको इसके साइड से करना है, टिप से नहीं करना है, साइड से प्रॉपर एप्लीकेशन आएगी एंड जस्ट फिल इट. ये आपका पूरा लिप लाइनर लग गया है एंड आपकी लिप लाइनर यूज करने का एक बहुत अच्छा बेनिफिट है दैट इट डिफाइंस योर लिप्स वेरी नाइसली. किसी के लिप्स पतले हैं, मोटे हैं, जैसे भी हैं, इट विल गिव यू वेरी नाइस डेफिनेशन एंड इट विल हेल्प. जब आप इसको फिल करते हैं, आपकी कोई भी लिपस्टिक आप यूज करें, चाहे वो लिक्विड मैट है और नॉर्मल मैट है और इवन द क्रीमी लिपस्टिक्स, ग्लॉसी लिपस्टिक्स, ये सबको लॉन्ग लास्टिंग कर देता है. Now I am using Power Matte Transfer Proof Lip Color, which is Hot Shot 008. So I'm going to use the liquid lip color. Center से लगा के I'm dragging it. So you see color इतना beautifully आ रहा है क्योंकि already मैंने नीचे color लगाया है, तो वो और ज़्यादा color को define कर रहा है. Make sure you're filling the lips properly क्योंकि हमें कलर पूरा मैच करना है. So lip liner was Rock and Red 001 and lipstick is Hot Shot 008. So lipstick आपकी transfer proof liquid lip color है and this is the lip color. So this was 5-minute or 10-minute quick makeup demo. Now to finish the look, I'm just going to add one bindi and also I am going to show you one more product, sorry, two more products. So that is our blush. This is also our new launch blush. We have two beautiful colors in it. So one is in peach tone, one is in peach tone and one is in pink tone. I'm going to use the pink blush for myself right now and I'm going to use again the Pro brushes, the blush brush, and I'm using the matte color on the tip of the brush. I'm going to smile and apply it from the outer corner and blend it gently. The blush is beautiful, the brush is beautiful because it gives you very effortless blending. इसको आउटर कॉर्नर से अंदर मैं इसलिए लेके आ रही हूँ क्योंकि ये भी आपको एक बहुत अच्छा कॉन्टोर्ड इफेक्ट देगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू ऐड मोर ग्लो टू द फेस और यू वांट टू ऐड मोर ग्लो टू योर ब्लश, आप मेटालिक ब्लश भी यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट टेक द कलर एंड जस्ट अप्लाई इट ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. इट विल ऐड वेरी नाइस सॉफ्ट शीन टू द फेस. वेरी गुड फॉर फेस्टिवल्स अगेन. नाउ द लास्ट स्टेप इज आवर हाइलाइटर. For highlighter, I'm using our contour brush and I'm going to apply it with the tip of the contour brush. So again, we have two colors in highlighter as well. You can either mix both the colors, दोनों colors आप mix कर सकते हो और आप लोग let alone एक एक color लगा सकते हैं. और ये आपका लगेगा cheek bone के ऊपर. So smile again and cheek bone के ऊपर लगा. तो जितनी ज़्यादा आपको शीन चाहिए, शाइन चाहिए एंड ग्लो चाहिए, आप उतना ज़्यादा लगा सकते हैं. मेक श्योर बहुत ज़्यादा ना हो कि वो अलग से चमक रहा हो, बट डिसेंट इनफ कि आपके फेस पे ऐड ग्लो कर रहा हो एंड गंदा भी ना लगे. अगेन आई एम मिक्सिंग बोथ द कलर्स टुगेदर और मैं चीक बोन पे लगा रही हूँ. टी जोन पे भी लगा सकते हैं. आई पर्सनली डोंट प्रेफर इट ऑन माई फेस, बट आप उसको हल्का सा नोज पे, टिप ऑफ द नोज एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द चिन, क्यूपिड्स बो एंड फॉरहेड पे भी लगा सकते हैं. So this was your complete quick Karwa chauth makeup demo. I hope you all enjoyed your enjoyed this session, and I hope आप लोग ये recreate करके you will send pictures to our page, and I hope you all a very happy Dussehra, a very happy Diwali. Enjoy your festive seasons. Thank you so much. Bye.